Did you know that the NASA rover 2020 gets its new name Perseverance? The Perseverance is manufactured by Jet Propulsion Laboratory known as JPL. The rover is identical to the Curiosity rover but has more advanced functions in it. The rover is likely to launch on 17 July 2020 up to August 1st, 2020. It has 23 cameras and 2 microphones. The Perseverance is heavier than previous one. They have increased the weight and used the advanced functions in the wheels such as titanium springs. The rover will seek sign for an ancient life and collect samples of soil and if possible return to the earth. The rover would land on 18 Feb 2021 on the crater Jezero, which is an ancient lake and may contain traces of life. The spacecraft would deaccelerate about 13,200 miles per hour. The spacecraft uses an Skyscanner, which is used to land the rover safely on the surface of Mars. The Skyscanner uses an 8 throttle to safely land the rover onto the surface of Mars. The brittles may extend about 25 feet and descent stage may fly off after the successful landing of the rover. The instruments such as PIXL stands for Planetary Instrument for X-ray Lithochemistry to determine the mountain surface materials. Radar image for Mars subsurface experiments and ground penetrating radars to manage structural layers and buried rocks. The instruments such as 2 lasers and 4 spectrometry allow us to identify biosigns and past habituality known as SuperCam. MasterCam 2 is used for the better zooming. The next instrument, Sherlock, stands for Scanning Habitual Environment with Raman and luminescence for organics and chemics. The Multi-Mission Radioisotope Thermoelectric Generator known as MMRTG. MMRTG used to convert heat from radioisotope into electricity. Its heat source is a plutonium-sized 238 dioxide. Unlike other solar arrays, RTGs are not dependent upon the sun. It can be used in deep space missions and can generate up to 2 kilowatt thermal powers. The RTGs can be used as vacuum of space and missions such as planetary atmospheres. The rover has an additional device known as a helicopter named Ingenuity. The Ingenuity is a solar-powered helicopter which is a prototype. Its mission is to scout the best driving route for the rover. The drone can fly up to for 3 minutes in one day.